In this video, I'm going to quickly go over how to use lerpColor, which is really helpful for creating a gradient between two colors. So in this example, I have a setup. So there's no draw, there's no loop in here. I've created a background that's 800 pixels by 800 pixels. The background is set to black and there's no stroke for the entire document. I have created a for loop that runs 10 times. So I is less than 10. And it keeps checking and it's going to iterate. It's going to add 1 to I each time, and it will go through 10 different times. To use a lerpColor, you need to create a variable that is a color. That's where you start, and one where you end. So you're creating two. And I just put in hex codes here, but you could also do 0, 0, 255. Right, if you wanted RGB, a blue color. Now, here you create the ending color, and I'm storing these inside variables. You could also put colors directly in the lerpColor as well. And then the next thing is I need to create a map in order to be able to create a range. So lerpColor takes 3 arguments, 1 color, 2 color, and then this last element is the increment. It is the range through which the lerpColor changes, and it's on a scale from 0 to 1. So here we have our range from 1 to 10 or 0 to 9, and so I need to rescale it going from 0 to 10. And I guess in this case I would do 9. That would make the most sense. And so here what I would do is create a map that uses my variable of I, going from the starting point of 0 to 9. It's not going to reach 10, so I want to start here. And then it's going to be mapped out to a new range between 0 and 1. That then is filtered down to our lerpColor, which is then iterated into a variable. So it's going to become this variable called COL. And I don't want to call it color because that is a built-in variable, so I need to create something else. I then use that as a fill color, and then I need to use it somewhere, so I'm using it inside this ellipse. So when I run it, I will get this range going all the way across with the color I started at and the color I ended. You could also use this for a stroke. Even though I called no stroke up here, this will override it. And it's filled with white in the center, so maybe I want to give a stroke weight. That's a little bit bigger. And no fill. So there we go. We're given something a little bigger. So this is really nice if you want to create a specific range of colors in your sketch.